What's up, OLAPLEX fam? My name is Kat Collett. I'm an OLAPLEX advocate, professional colorist, and salon owner. We're in the OLAPLEX studio today to chat about all the transformative power of the OLAPLEX Stand-Alone Treatment. I'll share the easy step-by-step, and we'll put the results to the test with our blindfolded judges. More on that in just a minute. Did you know that damage is the #1 concern worldwide? OLAPLEX is a damage repair experts. No matter where or how you live, daily life damages hair. Damage can show itself in all shapes and forms, from split ends, breakage, dry, brittle, unruly hair, and everything in between. Set yourself apart by introducing your clients to the ultimate hair repair treatment. It's perfect for every hair type in any condition. Supreme repair for the hair without compromising results. The standalone treatment is a quick and easy treatment experience for your guests. It's the ideal solution for hair in need of an immediate strengthening and repair. Your client's hair will immediately be transformed, stronger, shinier, and healthier looking in just 15 minutes. Let's see just how much the OLAPLEX Stand-Alone Treatment can transform the hair by putting it to the test using these pre-lightened swatches. To start off the Stand-Alone Treatment, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze ½ an ounce of the OLAPLEX #1 Bond Multiplier. That's the very top line. And I'm going to add it to 3 ounces of water. We're going to be applying it to a dry swatch today, but you can apply this on damp hair as well. Now this is way too much to apply for this one swatch, but she's just going to be real saturated today. You would do this for a full head application. Once we get the swatch fully saturated, and then we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and do not rinse. So once our 5 minutes is up, I'm going to go ahead and take the OLAPLEX #2 Bond Perfector, and we're going to apply that from roots to ends on our swatch. You want to make sure you have a nice even distribution all the way through on your client's head. I'll usually go through on this part and use a wide tooth comb to make sure it's fully saturated. Then we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. This is where I myself will sit down, drink some water, and maybe have a quick bite of food while we're letting it process. After we processed for the 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and rinse the swatch, and then we're going to shampoo with the OLAPLEX #4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and then follow up with the #5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. After we rinse the #5, it's just that simple. Super quick and easy to keep your client's hair healthy and get it repaired. Now we're going to style as usual using our favorite OLAPLEX product, and we're back. And as you can see, the hair is shinier and healthier looking from the inside out. You can feel how dramatically different the hair is from where we started. Let's put these swatches to the ultimate feel test and see what our blindfolded OLAFam thinks.
Okay. This one definitely feels like crispier.
This one feels a lot more abrasive and just rough. There's a lot of breakage and damage to it.
She a little rough around the edges.
This one's like silky, like you run your fingers through it.
This one's definitely softer and feels healthier.
I don't know how shiny feels. Does that make sense?
Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, this one's definitely silky.
As you can see and feel, the OLAPLEX Stand-Alone Treatment has transformed this damaged swatch and brought it back to a healthy virgin-like state. It will do the same for your clients too. This is truly core to surface repair. Not only will this treatment instantly transform your hair, but it's an added service that is beneficial to you and your clients to help achieve the healthiest hair possible. For more information, visit pro.olaplex.com or download our Pro app from the Apple Store or Google Play. You can find up-to-date product information, resources, and purchase your very own OLAPLEX Stylist Kit. You can find me at Kat Colors on Instagram, and make sure that you subscribe to the OLAPLEX channel for more content that you can't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching.